Hi, I'm Miko and this is my turtle, Taro. I'm autistic, and I share moments from my life to show that being different can be wonderful. I hope you enjoy this episode. Hi friends. I love drawing cartoons. Every day we do something fun in my calm corner. Let's see what happens today. Oh no! That sound is too big. It makes my ears feel funny. Taro, what do we do?
Let's find out what it is, Miko. We can use our calm plan.
Step 1, breathe. I take a big breath in and out. You can try it too. Step 2.
Identify the sound.
Hey! Look! It's a truck. That's the big noise.
Trucks can be loud, but it won't stay forever.
Sometimes noises surprise me, and that's okay. I just need a plan. Step 3, fix. My headphones make the noise small. Now I can draw again.
Good job, Miko. You solved the mystery.
Thanks for visiting my calm corner. Next time, we'll learn something new. What makes you feel calm? See you soon.